Lesson, we're just going to go over a couple more story problems. So again, right now I would like you to pause the video, read through problem 7, and then answer the 2 questions. All right, so for problem 7, it says, owners of a recreation area are filling a small pond with water. They are adding water at a rate of 29 liters per minute. There are 600 liters in the pond to start. Let W represent the total amount of water in the pond in liters, and let T represent the total number of minutes that water has been added. Okay, so the first part of the question they are asking us to write the equation of the variables that they have defined. So looking at this, we are comparing how much water is being added over how long it takes. So we would want to say that our total amount of water, so W, equals what we started with, so the 600, plus the rate that we are adding. So we are adding 29 liters per minute, which is represented with T. Now, if you want, we could also write this in our function notation. So instead of W, we would have W of T, and then equals the 600 plus 29T. So either form is acceptable. Now, this is a topic in ALEKS, so I believe when you write your answer, it's going to want it in this form. So just make sure that you're paying attention to how it wants the answer formatted. Okay. And then this says, use your equation to find the total amount of water after 16 minutes. So that just means I'm substituting the 16 in for time and then simplifying. So we are going to have 600 plus, and then 29 times 16 is 464. And if we add those together, that gives me 1,064. Okay, and again, I need to remember my label, so that 1,064 represents the liters of water. All right, so again, go ahead and pause your video, read through number 8, and then answer the 2 questions. All right, so as we read through this, we're talking about the Sugar Sweet Company transporting its sugar to market. So the cost for them to do that is going to have a one-time fee of that $7,500. And then in addition to that, we have to add 225 for each ton of sugar. C is going to be the cost. S is going to be the amount of sugar we are transporting. So for the equation, it should have been C equals 7,500 plus 225S. Okay. And then to use that equation to find the total cost, we're just substituting the 18 in for the amount of sugar and then simplifying that. So 18. So 225 times 18 is 4,050. And then if we add those together, we will have 11,550. And again, that is talking about the cost, so I need to make sure that I'm labeling that. So $11,550. So I hope they're selling their sugar for a lot of money at that cost. And that is going to conclude section 2.